Wish you very good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at home. Myself Anshu Narang from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Kids, in the earlier class we have learned to identify flowers, insects, vehicles and seasons. So now today we will learn some question answers for our oral assessment. So let's start with me. Kids, identify the following flowers, insects, vehicles and season. So tell me, kids, what is this? This is an umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. This is an umbrella. And what is this, kids? This is a rain cap. R-A-I-N, rain, C-A-P, cap, rain cap. And what is this? This is rain coat. R-A-I-N, rain, C-O-A-T, coat, rain coat. What are these, kids? These are gum boots. G-U-M, gum, B-O-O-T-S, boots, gum boots. Umbrella, rain cap, raincoat, and these are gum boots. So kids, tell me, in which season do we use all these things? In rainy season. Very good. In rainy season we use umbrella, we use rain cap, we use raincoat and gum boots. Now which flower is this, kids? This is lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. This is lotus. This is rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Now move to the next. This is jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Now this is sunflower. S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. This is butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. This is cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. This is cockroach. Now what is this, kids? This is an aeroplane. A-E-R-O, arrow, P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. This is an auto rickshaw. A-U-T-O, auto, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. An auto rickshaw has 3 wheels, 1, 2 and 3. Now move to the next. This is bus. B-U-S, bus. What is this, kids? This is ship. S-H-I-P, ship. This is train. T-R-A-I-N, train. This is train. Now move to the next question answers, kids. N-A-M-E, name, A-N-Y-N-E, E-I-G-H-T, 8, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Name any 8 flowers. So let's read the answer. R-O-S-E, rose, L-I-L-Y, lily, L-O-T-U-S, lotus, C-H-A-M-P-A, champa, T-U-L-I-P, tulip, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine, S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower, M-A-R-I, Mary, G-O-L-D, gold, marigold. Name any 8 flowers. Rose, lily, lotus, champa, tulip, jasmine, sunflower, marigold. Now move to the next question. W-H-I-C-H, which, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, G-R-O-W-S, grows, I-N-N, W-A-T-E-R, water. Which flower grows in water? Tell me, kids, which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. T THE the LOTUS lotus, GROWS grows, INN WATER water. The lotus grows in water. Question number 4. WHICH which, FLOWER flower, ALWAYS always, FACES faces, THE the SUN sun. Which flower always faces the sun? The sunflower always faces the sun. Let's read the answer. THE the SUN sun, FLOWER flower, sunflower, ALWAYS always, FACES faces, THE the SUN sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. Now move to the next. Name any 6 insects. ANT ant, HONEY honey, BEE bee, honey bee, HOUSE house, FLY fly, house fly, BUTTER butter, FLY fly, butter fly, COCK cock, ROACH roach, cockroach, MOSQUITO mosquito. Name any 6 insects. Ant, honeybee, housefly, butterfly, cockroach and mosquito. Move to the next question. HOW how, MANY many, LEGS legs, DO do, INSECTS insects, HAVE have. How many legs do insects have? Insects have 6 legs. Now read the answer. INSECTS insects, HAVE have, SIX 6 LEGS legs. Insects have 6 legs. How many legs do insects have? Insects have 6 legs. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. WHICH which, INSECT insect, HAS has, BEAUTIFUL beautiful, WINGS wings. Which insect has beautiful wings? The butterfly has beautiful wings. Now read the answer. THE the, BUTTER butter, FLY fly, the butterfly, HAS has, BEAUTIFUL beautiful, WINGS wings. The butterfly has beautiful wings. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. WHICH which, INSECT insect, GIVES gives, US HONEY honey. Which insect gives us honey? A honeybee gives us honey. Now read the answer. HONEY honey, BEE GIVES gives, US HONEY honey. A honeybee gives us honey. Which insect gives us honey? A honeybee gives us honey. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. WHICH which, INSECT insect, is, KNOWN known, ASS WORKER worker. Which insect is known as a worker? The ant is known as a worker. Now read the answer. THE the, ANT ant, IS is, KNOWN known, ASS WORKER worker. Which insect is known as a worker? The ant is known as a worker. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. NAME name, ANY any, 6 LAND land, vehicles, vehicles. Name any 6 land vehicles. Bus, car, jeep, scooter, truck, bicycle. bus, bus, car, car, jeep, jeep, scooter, scooter, truck, truck, bicycle, bicycle. Bus, car, jeep, scooter, truck, bicycle. Now we move to the next question. Question number 11. WHICH, which, VEHICLE, vehicle. HAS, has, THREE, 3, WHEELS, wheels. Which vehicle has 3 wheels? Now read the answer. A and N, AUTO, auto, RICKSHAW, rickshaw, and auto rickshaw. HAS, has, THREE, 3, WHEELS, wheels, and auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Very good. Now move to the next question. Question number 12. WHICH, which, VEHICLE, vehicle. RUNS, runs. O and on, RAILS, rails. Which vehicle runs on rails? A train runs on rails. Now read the answer. A, TRAIN, train. RUNS, runs. O and on, RAILS, rails. A train runs on rails. Move to the next question, kids. Question number 13. NAME, name. THE, the. FOUR, for. SEASONS, seasons. Name the 4 seasons. Summer, rainy, winter, and spring season. Now read the answer. SUMMER, summer. RAINY, rainy. WINTER, winter. And SPRING, spring. SEASON, season. Name the 4 seasons. Summer, rainy, winter, and spring season. Summer, rainy, winter, and spring season. Now move to the next question. Question number 14. WHAT, what. DO, do. YOU, WEAR, where. O and on. RAINY, rainy. DAY, day. What do you wear on a rainy day? I wear raincoat and gumboots on a rainy day. Now read the answer. I, WEAR, wear. RAIN, rain. COAT, coat. AND, and. GUM, gum. BOOTS, boots, gum, boots. O and on. RAINY, rainy. DAY, day. I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. Now move to the next question. Question number 15. So kids, the question number 15 is WHAT, what. KIND, kind. OF, of. CLOTHES, clothes. DO, do. WEAR, wear. I and in. SUMMER, summer. SEASON, season. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer season? Let's read the answer. WEAR, wear. COTTON, cotton. AND, and. LIGHT, light. COLOURED, colored. CLOTHES, clothes. I and in. SUMMER, summer. SEASON, season. We wear cotton and light colored clothes in summer season. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton and light colored clothes in summer season. Now move to the next question. Question number 16. WHAT what? KIND kind. OF of. CLOTHES clothes. DO WEV WEAR wear. WINTER winter. SEASON season. What kind of clothes do we wear in winter season? Now read the answer. WEV WEAR wear. WOOLLEN woolen. CLOTHES clothes. WINTER winter. SEASON season. We wear woolen or clothes in winter season. So kids, now let's revise all these questions again. So this is an umbrella. This is rain cap. This is raincoat, and these are gumboots. We use all these things in rainy season. We use umbrella, rain cap, raincoat, gumboots in rainy season. Okay, now this is lotus. LOTUS, lotus. This is rose. ROSE, rose. This is jasmine. JASMINE, jasmine. This is sunflower. SUN, sun. FLOWER, sunflower. This is butterfly. BUTTER FLY, fly, butterfly. This is cockroach. COCKROACH, cockroach. Now this is an aeroplane. AERO, aero. PLANE, plane, aeroplane. This is an auto rickshaw. AUTO, auto. RICKSHAW, auto rickshaw. This is bus. BUS, bus. This is ship. SHIP, ship. This is train. TRAIN, train. Now the next question is, name any 8 flowers. Rose, lily, lotus, champa, tulip, jasmine, sunflower, marigold. Which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. Which flower always faces the sun? The sunflower always faces the sun. Name any 6 insects. Ant, honeybee, housefly, butterfly, cockroach, mosquito. How many legs do insects have? Insects have 6 legs. Which insect has beautiful wings? The butterfly has beautiful wings. Which insect gives us honey? A honeybee gives us honey. Which insect is known as a worker? The ant is known as a worker. Name any 6 land vehicles. Bus, car, jeep, scooter, truck, bicycle. Now, which vehicle has 3 wheels? An auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Which vehicle runs on rails? A train runs on rails. Name the 4 seasons: summer, rainy, winter and spring season. What do you wear on a rainy day? I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton and light colored clothes in summer season. What kind of clothes do we wear in winter season? We wear woolen clothes in winter season. So kids, learn these question answers for your oral assessment from this worksheet. Bye bye. Have a good day.